looking off from a mawhawhau, I saw love when you guys were very small and now you're here boko. I used to rock you guys. Yeah, na pese la pese, la foi le pese. Neni. O yang ma sa kangi vale asola, o la pese ma sa fa mo ai oi.
Hush little baby?
No, it's not Hush Little Baby. Yeah.
Rock-a-my baby?
No, it's not Rock-a-my Baby. Then.
I lost my baby?
No, it's not I lost my baby. Then olal pese.
Oh, no.
Maunga e mamau. Say it. We'll sing it together. Maunga e mamau tualesa.
You know, it's a bit too slow. You know?
And that's why you went to sleep, and that's why you're strong.
Yeah, exactly. I went very, very, very long sleep. So we need to mix it with a bit of a, flavor.
Yep.
Mix the old school with the new school. So I'll give it to my sister here to sing it away, and then you'll see what I'm talking about.